Hi, this is Apple with Apple 222 Productions. Welcome back to yet another unboxing video. Or unboxing and DVD review, I should say. This package came to us from Amazon. And right now, we're just knocking away. Let's just see what's inside it right now. It might be best if I just like this and continue unboxing. So, watch this. There we go. This just came out today, folks. I repeat, this just came out today. Right now, I'm going to show you the disc, and then we're going to transfer over to the computer and show you what's else inside of it. Oh my goodness. This is what the disc looks like. And we also got some of those here. Wow. Anyhow, no time to waste. Let's switch over to the computer. Alrighty, after inserting this disc, you are greeted with those options. Let's check out the audio options first. You can have the audio in English, French, or Spanish. We're going to have it in English. There are closed captioning for this, but you have to manually turn it on. So we just did that. There is a total of 4 episodes. And now let's finish out with the theme song.
Have you seen my dog Blue? She's looking for you too. Let's begin with the paw print. Everybody's looking for Blue's Clues. Come on in, it's Blue's Clues. Step by step, yes, clue by clue. Let's think it through. It's Blue's Clues and you.
And that's it for the theme song, folks. We thank you for joining us. Or I'm sorry with this video. We thank you for joining us. If you have liked it, subscribe as you're seeing on the animation, and don't forget to turn on notification bells so you know anytime I go live or have a new video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again for joining us. We wish you a very nice day. Bye-bye. Thanks for visiting my channel today. Subscribe, click on my icon. To watch the previous video, click on the video on the left, and the next video, the video on the right. You can follow us at AppleDeacon221 on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. New videos premiere daily on the channel, so just be sure to subscribe. Thanks again, and have a very nice day. Bye-bye.
We won't run away. Standing tall, one for all.